Okay, welcome everyone to the deep dive. So today we're jumping into some source material about a pretty new tool from Google Labs. It's called Flow. And our mission really is to unpack what this thing is. What's it promised? What are the key details that, jump out from the description we have? Right away, the source makes a pretty bold statement, calls Flow where the next wave of storytelling happens. And they frame it as an AI filmmaking tool built with and for creatives. So yeah, high ambitions there.
Definitely. And what's really interesting in the source is how they talk about its core function. They say it uses their most capable generative AI models, specifically mentions Google DeepMind. The goal seems to be creating cinematic clips, scenes, maybe even whole stories. And the idea is to, simplify the whole process from the initial idea right through iterating on it, making it smoother, more connected. That's the pitch.
Yeah, seamless seems to be the key word there. And the material also points out something important about flexibility, right? It says you're not just like stuck generating everything inside Flow. You can actually bring your own stuff in, footage, images, whatever assets you have.
Exactly. Or generate new things within the tool. That mix seems key.
Okay, so let's get into the specifics. What can it actually do according to the source? They list some really interesting functions, things like text to video, just type a description, presumably. Frames to video, so animating still images.
Yeah.
Video extension, making clips longer.
And camera control. That sounds intriguing, like you can direct a virtual camera.
Right, and scene builder, too. Sounds like composing bigger scenes.
And they mentioned 1080p upscaling as well, linking it to their VO3 tech. So thinking about quality.
So how do you actually get your hands on this? The source talks about a subscription model, right?
Right.
Under Google AI.
Yeah, it lays out two tiers. There's a Google AI Pro that's listed at $19.99 a month. And then a Google AI Ultra tier, big jump there, $124.99 a month, though maybe an intro offer exists.
Wow, quite a price difference.
Yeah.
What's the main distinction?
Well, features, but also storage is a huge one. Pro gets you 2 terabytes.
Which is a lot.
It is. But Ultra, that ramps up to 30 terabytes. Massive.
Okay, that's serious project territory.
Exactly. Both tiers get you access to their Gemini AI models. But Ultra adds things like Project Mariner looks like it's US only, maybe for speeding up certain creative tasks. And it even throws in a YouTube Premium plan.
Okay, so different levels for different needs, clearly.
Seems like it. That huge storage on Ultra really points towards, professionals handling big files.
And it seems like people are actually using it.
Yeah.
The source mentions filmmakers by name. Junie Lau, Dave Clark. Suggests it's not just theoretical, people are testing it out.
Right. Real world use.
And the sample film things they mentioned are kind of fun too, like Impossible Fashion 3D cartoon. Or Queso Mundo.
Queso Mundo, World of Cheese.
Apparently. It just gives you a sense of the creative range, maybe, not just standard stuff.
Yeah, suggests maybe it can handle some pretty diverse or even quirky visual ideas. So, okay, stepping back a bit, what does a tool like this actually mean for you listening, whether you want to make visual stories or you just watch them? I mean, the source suggests AI like Flow could really lower the barrier to entry for making films, right?
Yeah, making complex visuals more accessible.
Exactly. It might change who gets to tell these kinds of stories. People with ideas, but maybe not the traditional resources.
Could lead to more variety in what we see, different perspectives.
Potentially, yeah.
Okay, so wrapping this up then, we've looked at Flow, this AI filmmaking tool. The source positions it as the next wave. We've seen the capabilities mentioned, text to video, camera control, scene builder, the upscaling.
And that subscription structure, the different tiers.
Right. So thinking about all that, the tech, the access model, here's something to consider. If tools like Flow really do make this kind of visual creation easier for more people, how might that actually reshape the kinds of stories, the visual narratives that you encounter day to day? What new kinds of films or shorts might pop up when these tools get into more hands? Something to think about.